Hey, hold up, seriously, stop right there. Hit the rewind button on your life, take it back 10, maybe 15 years. Remember that era, when a new phone showed up at your house, it basically meant one brand, Nokia. When your parents would say, "Son, just get the Nokia. That thing won't break even if you drop it off a roof. It'll outlast all of us." That trust, that tank-like durability, that Nokia love, yeah, over the last few years, that love might have faded a little. But gone? Absolutely not, because guess what? That lion that's been sleeping, he's awake now, and this time, he's hungry, he's angry, and he's locked his eyes on the biggest giants in the game. Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, all of them. If you've been searching for a 2026 smartphone that's not just hands-free but mind-blowing, consider your prayers answered. Nokia isn't just making a comeback, they're coming for revenge. And in their hand is a weapon called the Nokia Zero 5G. So today, we're tearing apart every inch of this beast. Camera, performance, battery, display, everything seasoned with so much swagger, you'll only have one thing to say: whoa, Nokia. You absolutely killed it, and the price, it'll make you wonder if the company's lost their minds. Let's dive in, no delays. Display. Let's start with the window to your world, the screen that'll make every other display look like a dusty old TV. Folks, this isn't just a screen. This is a 6.75-inch 2K plus LTPO Super AMOLED panel that will blow your socks off. The colors are so deep, if you're watching a horror video at night, the darkness will feel so real you'll think you're sitting right there in that creepy room. And brightness, ruthless, blazing afternoon sun, no problem, you'll see everything crystal clear. But the real magic happens when you touch it. 120Hz refresh rate means scrolling feels like gliding your finger through warm butter. And for gamers, this is straight up dreamland. With a 390Hz touch sampling rate, your taps turn into lightning in any game. And hey, it's a Nokia. So protection is part of the DNA. Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2 means keys, knives, coins, nothing leaves a scratch. This glass laughs at scratches. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the part that melted our brains. I've reviewed tons of phones in my career, but a 200-megapixel camera. That sounds like sci-fi. Yes, 200-megapixel DSLR killer primary lens. That means you could zoom in on a bird standing miles away and see the pupil of its eye. And when night falls, Nokia's old-school pure view magic comes roaring back to life. In pitch-black darkness, your photos will look so bright and clean, people will think you shot them in broad daylight. Alongside it, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens that captures such a massive scene, even a 20-person group photo fits in one glorious frame. And then there's the 12-megapixel telephoto portrait lens that turns your subject into the hero while melting the background into that creamy, DSLR-style bokeh. Selfie lovers, y'all get a monster deal too. A 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus. Now your friend standing behind you in the shot will be sharp and clear, because the camera automatically locks focus on them too. Performance. Now the big question. What controls all this raw power? Are we looking at a sleeping tiger? No way. This time, Nokia strapped the tiger onto a lion. Inside this phone beats the heart of the most powerful processor on Earth, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This isn't some average chip. Built on 3nm tech, it's so efficient that the faster it runs, the less juice it drinks. Whether you're editing 4K video, jumping between dozens of apps, or jamming out heavy games like PUBG, Free Fire, or COD Mobile, this phone won't heat up, won't stutter, won't let you down. You get 12GB or 16GB of RAM, plus 256GB or 512GB of storage. Translation: in your pocket lives a cinema hall, a gaming console, and a supercomputer all at once. In software, clean as a whistle, no bloatware, no junk. Just pure stock Android 16, the way Nokia always intended. Battery backup. Look, what good is a jet-speed phone if it runs out of fuel in a few hours? Nokia understood this in their soul. That's why they packed a thundering 9000 mAh battery. Yes, 9000. That's not just a number, it's a promise. You can shoot reels all day, binge Netflix all night, game for hours, this phone won't tap out. A day and a half. Easy. And when you finally do need to charge, the 100-watt fast charger rockets the phone from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Being chained to a wall outlet. That's ancient history now. Price and launch date. Alright, After all this, there's only one question burning in your mind: what's the price? $1,200? $1,500? Honestly, with these features, that'd still be a deal. But Nokia has shocked everyone again. According to leaks and market buzz, this game-changing phone is expected to launch at a starting price of just $750. Think about that: half the cash, double the chaos. That's a direct throat punch to Samsung's S series and the iPhone. Now, launch date: Nokia hasn't officially stamped it yet, but our close sources say this storm is set to hit around mid-2026, think June or July. So just a few months of waiting, folks. So what do you think? Will Nokia truly flip the market? Will this lion leave Apple and Samsung eating dust? Drop your take in the comments below.